Welcome to this video where I show you how DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT can help you create consistent characters for storytelling, branding, or any other materials. I will also show you how you can make the same character express different facial expressions. To access DALL-E 3 on ChatGPT, you will need a paid subscription. Simply click on GPT-4 in the menu. If you have access to it, you will find DALL-E 3 there. Now, all you have to do is type in your prompt to describe the character you want to generate. For example, I write, create a realistic image of an 8-year-old boy with black hair wearing a yellow shirt, and hit enter. Watch as DALL-E 3 quickly generates the images. It took less than a minute for each of the prompts I provided. Here are the two results, exactly as I requested. I find image 1 is the best one here. Let's continue with it. The next step is to ask ChatGPT for the seed number of the image so you can use it in the following prompts. Once you have the seed number, input it at the beginning of the prompt and describe what you want to see. For instance, using image 1's seed number, and you copy and paste the number, make the boy walk in a forest. The results are really impressive. To continue generating consistent characters, simply copy and paste the first half of the prompt and change the second half. I tried prompts like, make the boy read a book on a bus. Make the boy listen to music in his room and dance. In a grocery store. I actually found DALL-E 3 to be really good most of the time. As you notice, the images are not perfect but very close. But sometimes it forgets, I think. Like this example, the boy is a bit different from the character in image 1. So you might need to make multiple attempts sometimes to get better results. Here is the cool part. You can also use DALL-E 3 to generate different facial expressions for the same character using the same technique. Just try prompts like, make the boy look angry, confused, or cry. The results can be quite remarkable. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how you can use DALL-E 3 to create consistent characters and bring out different facial expressions. Until next time, stay creative.